What if I told you that if you jog for 10 minutes every day, you receive financial rewards? Have to believe, right? But that's the truth. As a matter of fact, you should jog every day. You should exercise every day. It helps your health, doesn't it? This time around, you are paid for doing what benefits your own health. 10 minutes, that's all it takes. How much do you think you can make? Well, it depends. You could make as much as $20, $10.
Some people make $100.
Depending on the price of cryptocurrency for the day. It's the truth. I've been doing it for a while now. And my steps are counting. And if you don't have the stamina to jog, you could just walk. Okay? You could just walk just like this. And it also reads. The app is connected to GPS. And you must do it outdoors. You can't do it on a treadmill. You can't moonwalk. No, you've got to come out. Outside, outdoor running, jogging, or walking. You may want to check it out. Just ask all the questions you have at the comment section. And subscribe to the channel. And I will reach out to you. This is for real.